Hello everyone, it's Leigh here. Welcome to the very final of this 2022 Collage Challenge Scavenger Hunt. So this was one that I started out co-hosting with Julie from Art and Junk Journals. And yeah, so we've been on the first Wednesday of each month, put up a video or put something on Instagram with a different theme. And the last one for the year is home. So before I get started, I would like to say to everyone who's been playing along every month regularly, Susan and Kylie and Kay, Wendy, Nikki, who else does it? Oh, there's quite a few. I can't think off the top of my head. Jen, of course, how could I forget Jen from Jen's Arty Inclinations? It's been wonderful to have your support through the challenge, and I don't know what Julie's got planned. I haven't heard from her at all, so I think she's still not well, but I'm not going ahead with this into the new year. So thanks for everyone for helping to play along with us and who's been a part of it, so I do appreciate that. And next year, I don't know what is going to be going on. I will be doing Junk Journal January, if I can make it through December. I'm already a day behind, so yeah, I'm struggling a bit at the moment to get things organised and done on time. Anyway, I'll show you what I'm doing today. So rather than just fill up a page with things that you could put in your home, what I want to do is fill my page up with things that with the way they make me feel. How do I put this? So things that make me feel like I'm at home. And that's the way I like to feel when I'm at home. So what I need to accomplish that is a nice place to sit and relax. So I've got a lounge, and I also love indoor plants, but I have a black thumb and I kill them pretty quickly. I have an eclectic taste, and I do like things like this. So this is a bamboo dresser. Yeah. Also another one is this one here, so I love that. Other things that bring me joy when I'm at home is getting in the garden. I don't seem to do that too often these days. I have given up on a veggie garden because we have possums and rats that come and eat all our vegetables. But we have some flowers, and at the front of our place we've got a big garden full of agapanthus, and they've just bloomed just recently, and they put on a beautiful show, so got some agapanthus. Other things that bring me joy and make me relax is music. So I've got some music paper there. I like to have a nice cuppa. I like to burn candles. I like to have a nice place to sit and eat a delicious meal. When it's cool during the winter, I like to snuggle up with a rug around me and watch TV. I also like to have a nice place, a nice chair to sit on and read a book, or read some letters maybe. Not that many people send you letters these days. I like to have some cushions on my lounge, and to have some flowers in a lovely vase in my house as well. And another thing that I like is to listen to the birds. So I'm just going to put all this together in some format on my page. So I'm using this magazine, which is a free magazine. It's put out by the Chamber of Commerce, I think, here on the Sunshine Coast, and it's called Hello Sunshine. So that's a good name. And I've just opened to this next page. Skip one, and I have some things here that I can actually include in my collage, so I might just build around these things. So what do we got here? We've got some soap, got books, got a basket for when I go to the veggie market, Got a footstool to put my feet up on, some more vases, and a, what do you call those things? A dresser of some sort, you know, like you'd have in your dining room. So I'm going to leave them in there. And there's another bunch of flowers. Okay, I'll put her in last. So I'm going to cover up the ad and put my music in there. Another thing, of course, that I love is my dog. And this music is from a score for Old Mother Hubbard. So Old Mother Hubbard, who went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboard was bare, so the poor dog got none. And on here, it actually says, try to imitate a dog. Bow, wow, 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 wow. Okay. I don't have a photo of my dog that I can put in here. But she's a lot of fun. Brings me happiness. Okay, let's keep that there. Just going to use what words I can see. Let's cover up that. I don't want to advertise any businesses. Alrighty. I'll put this lounge in first because it's my biggest item. I might just plonk it fair in the centre of the page. So I'm very lucky to live where I live on the Sunshine Coast, which is about an hour's north of Brisbane. We're only about a kilometre from the beach as the crow flies. If I stand at the end of my driveway, I can see the Point Cartwright lighthouse, I should say. And so it's a very nice place to live. Where can I put that? I'm going to put the chair near the flowers. And then the letters can go near the chair. You know how when you just really want to have something and you do anything to get it, and but then when you do get it, it's not what you thought it was going to be, or you don't use it. It was the same when we renovated our house, and we had done a minor renovation sometime before, and our bathroom was really small, so we removed the bath from the bathroom and just had a big shower in there instead. And then we did another renovation some years down the line and decided to put another master bedroom in and build a really luxurious bathroom on it, so ensuite bathroom, and we put in a massive big bath, and I had visions of sitting in my bath surrounded by candles, relaxing. Well, I think I've used the bath maybe 3 times in 6 years. It hasn't turned out to be the big thing that I wanted it to be, and I actually bath my dog in there. So she gets to use my bath more than I do. Yeah. So it's a case of, and I want it, but then when you get it, it's not what we really thought it was going to be. Okay, so let's pop the food somewhere. Where can I put the food? I'm going to leave that showing because walking on the beach was something that I used to love doing. And it's something that I'd like to do again. But it's one of those things, just get out of the habit of doing it. Pop my garden in. And put that there. And the cushions. I'll put the blanket there. So I've still got that pot plant showing. Maybe I can trim that a bit. Now let's just tear the edge off it. So if you want to check out what everybody else is doing, what they've created for this month, have a look at the hashtag 2022 Collage Challenge and 2022 Collage Challenge DEC for December. And you'll be able to see what everyone's doing. Making a mess with this glue. Okay, let's put that one there. Got my vase. Just going to pop that up here. My cuppa. I think that needs to go in there. And then my kookaburra. Oh, why did I tell you about the bath? Because that's why there's no bath in my collage. I forgot. I told half of the story. Okay. And the only thing I want to do is maybe a little bit of outlining. Okay, now I just need to find a place to put my lady, relaxing lady. Don't want her to cover up too much. So if I put her there, she's going to cover the dining room up. Let's take that out. One good thing about glue sticks is they don't really stick very well. And you can adjust things. Alright, so I'm going to put this somewhere else. Put it in front of this dining cabinet thing here. Down there. Do. Oh, this glue stick is giving me the heebie-jeebies today. I think I press too hard and I make bits of it, chunks of it come out. So I hope everyone's been checking out my Ephemerember videos. I've been having so much fun doing them. The trouble is though, I'm really finding it hard to keep up and watch everybody else's videos because there's so many of them. It's amazing how big that challenge is. Okay, so just going to do some outlining with this Sharpie. Oh, it's silver. I actually thought this was grey. Wonder if the art of letter writing will ever come back in again. It's sort of, you know, like Happy Mail is a little bit like that, isn't it? Yeah. I was involved in a Happy Mail group on Facebook for a while, but I found it quite stressful, and of course the postage was really expensive too. But yeah, I've always felt like I owed people things, you know, I had outstanding returns to do all the time, so I had to leave the group. Is that actually, can you see that? It's nice and silver. This chair needs to stop squeaking. The one that I'm sitting on I'm talking about, not the one in my photo, in my collage. Oopsie. Let's just make that look like it was meant to be there. Oh, this pen stinks. Angie, that's another one who's been doing the challenge. I forgot to mention you. Sorry, Angie. The names are just popping into my head every now and then. So I do apologise if I missed anybody before. Happiness. And I think home is a place to relax. Read. Laugh. Love. What else? Nurture. I feel like I need to put some stamps on that. So because it's home, I'm going to use one of my homemade stamps and do some stamping. And I will stamp with what colour? Like black, not black. What have I got here? I've got some silver, green maybe. Oh, I'm not sure about that. I'm just going to try it on a piece of paper and see what it looks like. No, definitely not that. I'm glad I didn't just plonk that on there. Don't really want black. Here's silver. That might work. And I've got gold as well. Okay, so let's get the rest of that yucky green ink off there. So I'm going to go with silver. Oh, look at the green. Okay, there's obviously still green on there. Let's use the other side of it. I'll probably put green all over the stamp pad now though. That looks better. You probably can't see that. That's alright. I know it's there. You can barely see them, but that's okay. I didn't really want them to overpower the collage anyway. Not sure if you can see them on screen. And I'll hold the book up to the light in a moment. Put one there. Okay, I think that'll do. Just hold it up to the light so you can see it. It's subtle. Okay, so that is the things that make me happy at home. What would I want my home to be? A place to relax and to have things that I love around me. A garden and good food, a nice cup of tea, something to keep me warm, a beautiful place to eat, somewhere to read a book, somewhere to grow some food maybe, relax and smell a scented candle. I also like to listen to the birds, and we have lots of birds around. Not so much kookaburras. We get one comes every year, or I think it's the same one, but he's not here all the time. Okay, so I'm going to say that's a wrap. Thanks to everybody for watching the videos and for contributing to the challenge, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday. I hope 2023 is a great year for you guys, and all the best to you all. Thank you for all your support during the year. It's really appreciated. So I'll say cheers from Australia. Hooroo.